In this video, I'll show you how to add a WhatsApp account. First, select Devices and click Create. Then, fill in the name and press the Create button. Next, click the Show QR Code button. A QR code will appear here, and we'll need to scan it. Here, you can also create multiple WhatsApp accounts by yourself. For example, you can enter a phone number or a name here, and click Create button.